It's snowing here at camp, and Tony Flash Tastic White, well, it might be featured in the next Olympics. You've seen it here first on Lake Camp. Wow, wow! The Flash is just checking out what it might be like to snowboard.
Yeah, so coming soon to Island Lake Camp is we're gonna have build a snow lift, and I think we have some pretty good run here. So you know, as I just watching and coming soon to Island Lake Camp, we're gonna have a snow park. See ya.
Winter camp, baby, yeah! Okay, go Flash! Woo, yeah! Super fast.
Board instructor, Flash White.
Ow, ow! Chicka bow wow!
It's lovely weather for us there are together with you.
Time for me. Hi! So fun! Hi, you be breaking the
Wait. Ja, what's better? My skill is no, it's not gonna. Nicht auf the weather high. Ma, hot, rain or real. No, you don't say it. I want to look back. Hey.
zero one. Sabi ko kaya pero kaya mo yung pero ay kasi ito.
The Flash is just checking out what it might be like to snowboard.
Yeah, so coming soon to Island Lake Camp is we're gonna have build a snow lift, and I think we have some pretty good run here. So you know, as I just watching and
Coming soon to Island Lake Camp.
Winter camp rocks down, rocks down, rocks down.
Woo! Wow, it's called racing. Winter camp rocks down.
Gosh, just funny you're doing that now. Hi.